Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the concepts of formats in Excel. Format means how we are going to enter the data in Excel. The different types of format in Excel, it exists. Example, we write some names, we write some dates, we write some percentages, we write some times, and like that there are many different format, different types of format that in Excel we do entries. But how these formats actually work? And if I have to change some format, if I have to change the properties of the format, how the Excel work and how we have to change it. So let's see that. So when I say format, that in Excel, there are only two types of format it exists. Example, the first one is called text format, where you write all types of names, like we say in English, noun. Okay, any type of name is called text format with a mix. Either it will be simple letter or it will be a mix of letters and numbers. And the second format that we have, we call it numerical format. Numerical format. Example, if I write the name employee, okay, if I write the name employee. Now employee is a text, or if I say product, product is a text like pen. Okay, if I say some word, let's say London, okay, like India, like Dubai. Okay, okay, so these are the names which is known to be in text. Even if you are going to mix a and some write some numbers, this is also a text format, or 1 2 3, or write some numbers, this is also a text format. So anywhere where you have a either letters or it's a mix of letters and numbers, these are text format. Okay, and generally text format, if you see how it enters, text formats, the moment you enter something in your cell, automatically it will align towards the left side of the cell. That's the again an indicator of a textual data. Sometimes we try to enter some numbers, okay, and it will exist. Example, if I write AED, okay, AED 200. Now this is text, AED 500. This is text. It is not a currency. So when you enter those things, maybe the people will think that, okay, it's maybe a currency, it may be a numbers, and we can easily add it. It cannot be, you can say you cannot make any sum of that. Okay, so the first one is text format. Second one is numerical format, where we have one numerical format is numbers format. Okay, numbers format, right? For example, I write 1, I write 1 2 3, and I write any numbers that is a number formats. Any type of number that we enter, it has a numbers format. Okay, and even you can say when you enter number, but moment you enter any numbers, and I said if you enter some text, it become a text. So without a text, it can be a number format. And if you see the alignment, when I write some letters, it is in right now it is on left side, and it stays in left because it is text. But if I write some numbers, let's say 45, I am writing it in left side, but automatically it will shift to right side. Okay, and this is a number format. Okay, sometimes we need to convert this number. Let's say I am writing 300, but if I need to convert this 300 into numbers, sorry, into text, then we have multiple options. We can select, we can go to this home tab. Inside home tabs, we have number groups. Inside this number group, we have options like general formats, number format. These are different formats that in Excel it exists, like general format, number format, the currency. In general, automatically the software will detect. In general, automatically software will detect that what type of entries you have made. It may be a text, it may be number, it may be percentages, and like that. Okay, dates, times, percentage, fraction, scientific numbers, and even text. So see, right now it's number, but if I trying to convert into text, it will go towards the left side of the window. Sometimes when we are exporting the data from Excel to some different software, means in different software we have to import it, it might not accept a number. In that case, we need to convert first a number into text and then we have to import it. This is how the Excel understand the data. We cannot convert this into numbers because this is text, but yes, this can be converted. And why I am saying this is number, this is text and this is number. If you see that here we have 300, here I write 500. Okay, 300 and I'm converting into number 300 and 500 there. Okay, now if I need to add it, this one 300 plus 500. Okay, if I need to add this number equal to 500 plus 300, okay, it will show me the result like 800. But if I do the same thing 500 plus 200, it will not provide me the result because it is text. We cannot add apple and orange, right? We cannot add apple and orange like that. Here we have, if it is in the same format, it will work. Here it is a text format, you cannot convert into number directly. Okay, so how this is different format. Now there are different formats that we can use it, like as a general numbers and all these things we can try it. Okay, fine. So I hope you understand the concept of text and number format. In next session we'll discuss about some more formats that is used in Excel. Till then, thank you.